There are two features which are to be implemented. Firstly, we will talk about the auto crop and enhancing feature. So here we go. I mean, it is as of now it is available in the single mode in camera scanner, but we need to implement in the batch mode as well. So selecting the single mode, we have, see, what I'm actually doing is slanting the camera so that it gets, the picture is scanned at a slanting way. So there is an auto crop feature. I'm just adjusting the coordinates, and when I click on next, what it does, it auto crops the image and straighten. This is called auto straightening and cropping feature of camera scanner. So this way it does, and once I click on save, it is saved. So this same feature has to be implemented in batch mode as well in our app. The second thing that I want to let you know is about in the batch mode, whenever we import images from gallery, so there is this feature that suppose there are 10 items or 10 pictures that are to be imported from the gallery. The camera scanner feature, camera scanner option here enables us to mark the numbering. Suppose if I click on this picture, select this picture, it marks 1. Then suppose I need to select the other picture that has to be at page number 2, then I need to select, sorry, it went off. Then I need to select the another image that it will mark 2, then third, then fourth. So it actually enables the user to number the images that are to be imported from the gallery. So once I click on import, all the 4 images would be in basis of the number that selected. So this is all.